Hello, everyone. I'm Paul Dunley-Bledder, the editor of CDN Computer Dealer News with our Newsmaker series. Today we have Ross Pelllizzari, the president of Avaya Canada.
Hey, Paul.
Hey, Ross. Thanks for coming by. Ross, in 2010, there was a lot of talk of the new Avaya and this fit-for-purpose strategy. What does that mean for Canada?
That means a couple things. First of all, you've got a real legitimate player in the marketplace who understands conferencing, understands telephony, has a new look at the business as far as what collaboration really means to customers today, and has hundreds of years of heritage. As you know, Avaya comes from the old Lucent or AT&T background, Bell Labs. And on the other side, we acquired Nortel, and of course Nortel has hundreds of years of history here in Canada. So the new Avaya is a fresh look, considering the telephony world of old, the IP and the data networks and cloud computing, and take all those new technologies and our background in contact center, collaboration, roll them into one, and that's really the new Avaya.
So Nortel was acquired in 2009, but in terms of the integration of their products, any challenges for the Canadian marketplace that you saw?
I don't think so much challenges. As Canadians, we're very proud of the Nortel brand and what Nortel brought to the Canadian marketplace. As Avaya, our product people looked at what were the best technologies, and really we had the advantage of taking the best of Nortel and the best of Avaya and rolling that out in the new product set. One of the examples is we have a product that the market knows, which is BCM, a very strong Nortel branch solution product, which is continuing. And we've taken a lot of that technology out of BCM, rolled it into our IP Office product, and now we have two strong product lines, which eventually will roll into one product line, and we'll have transition paths for our customers.
Now, Ross, you've been known as a channel guy, but Avaya hasn't been really a channel-friendly player in its history. What are you doing specifically to change that?
A couple things. One, we hired a Canadian channel leader. So Renzo Di Pasquale has taken on the role of Canadian channel leader. Two, one of Nortel's strengths, and one of the reasons we bought Nortel, was their channel friendliness, their channel go-to-market strategy. So now we've got the benefit of Avaya as a strong services and technology company, along with Nortel's channel and go-to-market, and my own experience and Renzo's experience in the team. We've pulled it all together, and we're very, very clear with our partners where we're going to work with them. And 80% of our business goes through channel partners today, and will continue. And then where we're going to go direct, because we bring some expertise to the market that maybe our partners don't have. Even in those cases, we traditionally have been working with partners.
Okay.
So it's a very, very partner-centric model. Canada's a big geography, and the partners are very critical to our success.
So in 2010, you came out with a couple of interesting products, Aura SIP and Flare. Flare looked like a tablet, but you guys didn't want to necessarily position it as a tablet. What's the strategy behind that?
Very good. I'm glad you got that messaging. The strategy is real simple. I think people have overcomplicated the network industry. Talking about the 7 layers and physical layers and the presentation layer and application layer. Our view of the world and our technology and engineering people's view of the world is, think of an architecture that's a 3-tiered architecture. And every CIO understands 3-tiered architecture. Business people are starting to understand the 3-tiered architecture. Applications, middleware, and endpoints. So whether your endpoint is a tablet, a Flare device, an iPad, a phone, a contact center, any SIP endpoint through our middleware or session manager can get at any application. So we're designing that session manager to integrate both to the customer end, if you will, the SIP endpoint, as well as through SOA-based application design and our ACE design technology into the application layer. So if you're a service provider, a large bank, or a small, medium enterprise trying to go through a service provider, now you have an easy way to get those applications to the end user, irrespective of the device.
And I guess that gives end user flexibility to the device that they want to really use.
Big time. Whether they choose our device or somebody else's device, they're going to get access to those applications, which is really what it's all about. The device is useless without the applications.
True. Do you think you've solved all of Avaya's image problems, and what can the channel look forward to from Avaya in 2011?
Those are big questions. I don't believe we've solved all of Avaya's branding efforts or concerns, if you will. Avaya never had the presence in Canada that other companies have. Our goal is to earn the right with our customers, be humble and be grateful as we go to market, but get the Avaya brand out in front of the customers through our partner community, through our marketing efforts, through discussions like this where we're reaching out to the market and explaining what the new Avaya is all about. The new Avaya is fit-for-purpose computing. So as you're in the workspace, and the industry's made collaboration very, very complicated. If you look at all the devices on your desktop today, if you look at trying to start a meeting on time today, by the time you get everything synced, we've made it very, very complicated. Avaya is about making that simple. It's about intelligent communications.
You're definitely right about making everything in sync in terms of meetings.
Yeah.
I have that trouble all the time. But anyways, what about 2011? What should the channel look forward to?
I think a more specific focus with channel partners in geographies. We did some restructuring at Avaya to better service our customers and leverage our partner community. So whether you're in Western Canada, Eastern Canada, or Central Canada, we have a specific go-to-market, whether it be by vertical, by product, and different partners bring different expertise to the marketplace. So you can see very laser-like focus in the geography, by product, and by vertical industry, where we're bringing value to an industry through the collaboration tools.
Okay, well, Ross, thanks a lot for your time. Congratulations on being a newsmaker this year. And that's it for
Thank
me.
you.
I'm Paul Dunning, the editor of CDN. Thanks for watching.